Happy dance, happy dance, happy dance, happy dance.
Welcome back to Woodness Goodness, everybody. I'm Graham. This is my right-hand man, Max, the king of cock. And he is here to help me lay in some glass, baby.
Glass, baby.
And he is actually not caulking right now. He is using something called
glazing tape.
glazing tape. It's for people like me who aren't good at caulking. Wow. Look at that. Is that what the pros do, Max?
Well, you're watching one, so I'd assume so.
Oh!
What I like about this too is you don't have like a lot of goopage and oopage.
And it's just two-sided, so you just peel it off and
Yep.
just use scrap cedar.
I would. It
Yeah,
won't rot, it won't go anywhere.
I got tons of cedar scrap here.
It's one thing I love about cedar shakes too, they're tapered so you can get like what you want somewhere. You just
I know, it's like an automatic wedge.
Yeah.
Because these openings, we made these openings like an inch, so we should have almost a ½ inch everywhere. All hard work's done.
Can you transfer?
Yeah.
To this side?
Like this?
Yeah, here, just sit it on that little lip for now.
I'm on my block.
Okay, I'm on mine. Alright, we need to come up like another 8, I would say.
Yeah, because we got room to grow here.
Yeah, we definitely got to come up. Okay.
I do have cups. I don't know if they're like dent puller cups.
Alright, try that. Oh, that's better.
Oh, that's pretty freaking even now.
That's not bad, brother.
Oh, look at what happened to the camera.
We can start peeling.
Pretty good. Or do you want to come your way more?
Come my way just a little bit.
I mean, I look good.
Okay, if you look good, stick it up. And then we're good across the top, down there, and across the bottom. I like it.
I like it. Ugh. Little stop and block.
Little stop and rock. Right there. I'm really snuggy. What are you hitting on? There we go. Okay.
Oh.
See, this is how it's supposed to feel. Like that. That roll is just. Yeah, we don't have to go all the way in yet. Alright, are you. Oh, sorry.
You're good.
And it compresses it all the way down, doesn't it?
You compress it quite a bit.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, you in there?
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking nice and straight. Are you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sticking it. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. It just cuts right off.
Buddy! These look so good!
Yeah. Getting our glass in.
Getting our glass in. Getting our glass in.
Getting our glass in.
Getting our glass in.
Getting our glass in. Getting our glass in.
Getting our glass in. Getting our glass in.
Getting our glass in.
Getting our glass in.
Getting our glass in.
Getting our glass in.
To the windows! Titus. Titus. Stop rolling in blue. So all these little squares you guys see on this is cork. So when the glass is transported, they won't break. The glass against glass is smash. Oh, doggy! Yeah, buddy. Okay, we're moving, cruising, setting ourselves up, pursuing. We going real hard. Everybody, don't go too far, because here we are on this YouTube channel. We're making waves. We're making, I don't know. Sometimes I think I got it, you know? Sometimes I really think I have the gift, but other times I realize I'm just a total schmuck. All right, we're gonna put on some window flashing. Start from the bottom, now we're here. I don't know how much quicker I can do the next set. It's one, I got 1, 2, 3 more of these. I think I can do it. That's 1 roll per opening, which is 30 feet of flashing. It adds up because you do the front first, then you do the sill, then you do the sides. Wow. That took a while, but man, you know what? I'm not even gonna put cedar siding on it. I'm just gonna cover it in this aluminum foil. Ba, 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 ba. Happy dance, happy dance, happy dance, happy dance. Got the tinfoil on the building, got the tinfoil on the building.
Happy dance, happy dance, happy dance, happy dance, happy dance, happy dance. 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 Happy dance, happy dance.
Oh, I'm tired. Hard dancing. Dancing's hard work, baby. Okay, now that it's got all the flashing, we can put the exterior trim on it. Should be pretty straightforward, I hope. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching. I think I was gonna try and add a little bit more to that episode, but we went on a last minute excursion to help my brother-in-law build his kids a treehouse, which you see behind me. We have just started it. I am filming it, so let me know if you actually want to see a video of that. It could be kind of fun showing people that, I mean, with all this time at home, you can still do something fun. Lowe's and Home Depot are open. As long as you're safe, you can go get wood and build yourself a getaway. A treehouse, a fort, a tree paradise, or a lawn castle, whatever you like to call those. As always, guys, thanks so much for hanging out and watching the video. We are extremely close to 10,000 subscribers, which is really cool. I'm planning on doing another giveaway really soon, so pay attention, stay tuned, subscribe, and like. We're gonna be giving away some cool stuff. Not only stickers and some swag, but a camera too. Be safe, be kind to one another, enjoy yourselves at home, don't go crazy, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.